Assalamu alaikum, day 10th class students. My today's topic is 5th lesson from prose section. The Sermon at Banaras, written by B.T. Renshaw. Dear students, a sermon is a religious talk or a moral lesson that's given to a group of people in order to change their character. It's different from a lecture. We all know that a lecture is delivered by a teacher or any other instructor about any subject or topic. यानी कि सरमन जो होता है ये किसी मजहबी जगह पे या किसी दूसरी जगह पे किसी मजहबी लीडर की तरफ से दिया जाता है। एक मजहबी बात होती है, इंसानों को सही रास्ते पर लाने के लिए उनको एक मॉरल लेसन दी जाती है। द sermon at Banaras. Banaras is one of the oldest places in India. Now this place is called Varanasi. Dear students, we all know that man is mortal. One who comes to this world has to leave one or the other day. One has to die sooner or later. We cannot avoid dying. This lesson highlights this reality of life. दुनिया में आने वाला हर शख्स एक या दूसरे दिन इस दुनिया को छोड़कर चला जाता है और दुनिया में इंसानों के पास ऐसा कोई जरिया नहीं है जिससे हम इस मौत से बच सकें। तो अब हम इस लेसन की इंट्रोडक्शन लेते हैं कि ये लेसन किसके मुतालिक है। द sermon at Banaras throws light upon the early life of Lord Buddha. We all know that Lord Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. दुनिया में बहुत सारे मज़ाहिब मौजूद हैं और उन मज़ाहिब को शुरू करने वाला कोई न कोई शख्स था। तो इस तरह से लॉर्ड बुद्धा जो है, लॉर्ड बुद्धा इज द फाउंडर ऑफ बुद्धिज्म। जो बुद्ध मत है, बुद्ध मत को शुरू करने वाला जो शख्स था उसको लॉर्ड बुद्धा के नाम से जानते हैं, लेकिन उसका जो असली नाम था वो था सिद्धार्थ गौतम, who was originally born as a prince in the royal family. On being exposed to the sufferings of the world, which he was earlier shielded from, he left his princehood and went in search of salvation, thus leaving all the worldly pleasures behind. Upon attaining spiritual awakening, he gave his first sermon in the city of Banaras, hereby making a lady named Kisa Gautami realize that men are mortal and a wise person should not grieve at what is bound to happen, for it only enhances pain and suffering. Dear students, अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक अपने सामने रखिए, मैं टेक्स्ट पढ़ाने जा रहा हूं। गौतम बुद्ध 563 BC, 483 BC began life as a prince named Siddhartha Gautam in northern India. At 12, he was sent away for schooling in the Hindu sacred scriptures, and 4 years later he returned home to marry a princess. They had a son and lived for 10 years as befitted royalty. At about the age of 25, the prince, being shielded from the sufferings of the world, while out hunting, chanced upon a sick man, then an aged man, then a funeral procession, and finally a monk begging for alms. These sights so moved him that he at once went out into the world to seek enlightenment concerning the sorrows he had witnessed. Dear students, इन लाइन्स को ट्रांसलेट करने से पहले हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स। मैंने यहां पे एक वर्ड पढ़ा, सैक्रेड। सैक्रेड का मतलब है एम्बॉडीइंग द लॉज और डॉक्ट्रिन्स ऑफ ए रिलीजन। स्क्रिप्चर्स, इट मीन्स द सैक्रेड राइटिंग्स ऑफ ए रिलीजन। बिफिटेड मीन्स बी अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर और सूट। chanced upon means came across by chance. Alms means money or food given to poor people, charity. Enlightenment means a state of high spiritual knowledge. Gautam Buddha was born to a North Indian royal family as a prince and was named Siddhartha Gautam. He was sent to a faraway place when he was 12 years old to study Hindu sacred scriptures, and upon returning 4 years later, he got married to a princess. Soon they both had a son, and they continued to live the royal life for about 10 years. The royals were shielded from all the unpleasant experiences of the world until the prince met a sick man, an aged man, a funeral procession, and a monk looking for alms. These experiences acted as eye-openers for him, and thus he left all the royalty behind to seek a higher sense of spiritual knowledge. सिद्धार्थ गौतम को जो ऐश व आराम और जो बिल्कुल सुकून की जिंदगी मैसर थी, उसे यकीन था कि हर इंसान को भी इसी तरह से आराम सुकून की जिंदगी मैसर है। लेकिन जब सिद्धार्थ ने एक बीमार शख्स को देखा, एक जनाजा देखा, एक बूढ़ा शख्स देखा, तो उसे एहसास हुआ कि ये दुनिया जो है ये मुसीबतों और गमों से भरी पड़ी है, और उसने शाहजादा होने की जो ऐश व आराम की जिंदगी थी वो छोड़ दी और इनलाइटमेंट के लिए निकल पड़ा। आगे देखिए, he wandered for 7 years and finally sat down under a peepal tree, where he vowed to stay until enlightenment came. Enlightenment after 7 days, he renamed the tree the Bodhi tree, tree of wisdom, and began to teach and to share his new understandings. At that point, he became known as Buddha, the awakened or the enlightened. The Buddha preached his first sermon at the city of Banaras, most holy of the dipping place on the river Ganges. That sermon has been preserved and is given here. It reflects the Buddha's wisdom about one inscrutable kind of suffering. यहाँ पे कुछ नए वर्ड्स हैं, पहले इन नए वर्ड्स का मीनिंग जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. Wandered means to move without a fixed course. Vowed means solemnly promise to do a specific thing. Preached means deliver a religious address to an assembled group of people. और यहां पे मीनिंग दिया हुआ है sermon का, a talk on religious or moral subject. Holy means sacred. Dipping places means bathing. आप सभी जानते हो कि इंडिया में जो रिवर गंगा है, रिवर गंगा के बहुत सारी जगहों पर स्पेशली ये होता है विंटर में, तो बहुत सारे श्रद्धालु लोग जाते हैं, यकीन कर रहे अकीदतमंद जाते हैं और पवित्र स्नान करते हैं. उनका ये अकीदा है कि उनके सारे गुनाह धुल जाते हैं जब वो गंगा में नहाते हैं. तो ये गंगा के बहुत सारी जगहें ऐसी जहां पे पवित्र स्नान किया जाता है, और ये बनारस जो है ये उन सभी जगहों में से सबसे मुकद्दस जगह मानते हैं ये लोग. Inscrutable means something which cannot be understood. Gautam Buddha went in search of enlightenment for about 7 years before he finally came across a peepal tree and chose to sit under it till he became awakened. When he finally attained salvation after 7 days, he decided to retitle the tree as the Bodhi tree. Bodhi means Dana, Akalman, which means the tree of wisdom. दानाई का पेड़. विजडम किसको बोलते हैं? दानाई को. दाना जो होता है विजडम. He and he himself came to be known as Buddha. और सभी उसे बुद्धा कहने लगे. बुद्ध, which means the awakened, जिसका मतलब है जो बेदार हो, awakened हो, बेदार हो, जिसको सब पता हो, जो जानता हो. He even began preaching his new realizations and his first sermon was given in the city of Banaras. और उसने जो पहली sermon दी, पहली मजहबी तकरीर की, वो कहां पे की? बनारस में. The city of Banaras is known to be sacred as it resides on the banks of the river Ganges. The first sermon he gave was preserved and is famous till day. उसकी जो पहली sermon थी उसे महफूज किया गया है और आज भी मशहूर है. It's given below as well. It gives a new perspective to man's understanding unending sufferings. Kisa Gotami had an only son and he died. In her grief, she carried the dead child to all her neighbors, asking them for medicine. And the people said she has lost her senses. The boy is dead. At Lingat, Kisa Gotami met a man who replied to her request, I cannot give thee medicine for thy child, but I know a physician who can. And the girl said, Pray tell me, sir, who is it? And the man replied, Go to Salyamuni, the Buddha. Kisa Gotami repaired to the Buddha and cried, Lord and Master, give me the medicine that will cure my boy. It talks about a lady named Kisa Gotami whose son had recently died. Struck with unending pain and sorrow, she took her son door to door, requesting for a wonder drug that could bring her son back to life. Quite obviously, everyone thought that the lady had lost her ability to think clearly. Going on from door to door, she finally came across a man who couldn't offer any medicine but led her to Salyamuni the Buddha. Filled with hope, the lady visited Gautam Buddha and begged him for a cure for her child. We all know that there is no cure for death. Kisa Gautami